Okay. So, anong ginagawa ng stage manager sa show?
Okay, hi, we're back. During shows, well, ako as an SM, mas gusto ko na nasa tech booth ako. Especially dito, kasi syempre malit lang naman yung space. So, for marikit na, well, for past prod, ang gagawin ko, well, ang ginagawa ko usually, nasa tech ako yung nagko-cue ng lights and sounds. Usually, ako din yung nagsa-sounds, pero sa iba, syempre may iba silang sounds board man. Pero ako yung magsa-sounds, tapos meron akong isang staff, si Ago, siya yung sa lights. So, basically, meron tayong 3 holy words for cueing, which is stand by, ready, go. So, ayun, parang a few lines before the next cue, sabihin ko na, stand by,
Okay.
kung ano man yung cue na yun, then ready, kung ano man yung cue na yun, then go, pag gagawin niya na.
Okay.
So, yun yung 3 holy words ko during show, ganyan. Tapos, yung SM, make sure din niya na kumpleto yung props niya sa backstage. Kumpleto yung props, lahat maayos, as in good condition. Tapos, yung mga actors, make sure niya na nakapag-prepare sila. Like, warm-up, vocal warm-up, since musical to, body warm-up, ganyan. Tapos, pag may mga scenes na medyo movement heavy, like, siguro may mga laban, ganyan. So, nagtatawag ako ng fight call. Yun yung tawag namin doon, fight call. So, yun, i-rehearse nila yung mga halimbawa may sasaksakin or may bubugbugin, ganyan, para ma-make sure na suwabe lahat, pero walang masasaktan.
Okay.
So, that's the fight call. So, yun, basically, during show, meron ng cue sheet, meron ng prompt script. What is prompt script? Prompt script is, doon na talaga, final yung blocking, final yung lights cues, music cues, video cues, set changes, costume changes. And, ayun, basta pag during show, make sure lang talaga na everything's complete.
Okay.
And, on time, syempre. Ayun. That's it for the show.
Thank you.
Yay!